Okay, so before we start today's episode, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Lush Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it's also important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you are settled in like we are and drinking responsibly. With that said, let's lush on together. We're back. We are back for more cocktail fun.
Hopefully I can spice this up a little bit based off of the last drink we had.
Okay.
I'm taking over now. I'm standing on business. I'm standing on business. Drewski, you made a hit on that one. Anyway, matter of fact, Snoop Dogg was on that track as well. So big shout out to my Uncle Snoop. Mm-hmm. We're gonna do a drink that's inspired by him. It's gin and juice, but the remix.
Okay.
So let's get into it. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right. So we're going to need gin, apple flavored vodka, and we're going to do pineapple juice.
Now, the Esme gin, we don't know if we had this before, so we should probably try it.
Yeah, we'll go ahead because, you know, if we did try it, we forgot about it. And that's not cool. So,
all right. Good, right? I know, you know.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Just a little bit. We've already been mixing a lot.
More than usual.
The last time we mixed like that was
Christmas. Yeah, it was interesting. All right, anyway, ready?
Mm-hmm. It got citrus vibes.
It's different for sure.
Gin with botanical coat. Notes.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's got a botanical coat to it.
Notes. Notes, yeah. Anyway.
All right, well,
let's
that's
get
the base
into
liquor.
So in a glass, not a glass shaker. I'm sorry. I'm new to this, leading the way. So in the shaker, and she want to give me this last one after we've done mixed for me to have my debut.
It makes the most sense.
Anyways, I'm going to do my best with what I got. So shaker with ice. And now we're going to do 1 ounce of gin.
Oh, only 1 ounce.
1 ounce.
Who is ripping and running in our neighborhood? They said it's Sunday and it's nice out. That's what they said. You said 1 ounce?
1 ounce.
Okay.
Then we're going to do 1 ounce of apple flavored vodka, which you can go ahead and start it off with.
Okay. You want to?
Yep. Okay. Take care of that. We chose Smirnoff because Uncle Snoop recommended Ciroc, but he didn't know what he was saying when he put it out there.
He didn't know.
So for everybody's sake, we're going to just represent Smirnoff this time around. Oh.
I was like, did you put it in?
No, I didn't.
Okay.
1 ounce. Did we taste this?
No.
Should we? Just a little bit.
Okay, a little bit. I figured, isn't it just, the vodka of the apple? Sounds dangerous.
No.
Ooh! Lord have mercy.
Oh, shit. 1 ounce. Wrong cup. Okay, 1 ounce.
Excellent.
And then 2 ounces of pineapple juice. So
okay.
You started off with that. All right. Give us a little something. Okay. Now, instead of shaking it, we're gonna stir.
Ooh, okay.
Took out Big Daddy Kane, and we got Little Daddy Kane.
Little Daddy.
And we're gonna stir. Okay. And once we do that, it says we should go ahead and strain in a rock glass. So you can go ahead and strain yours first.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah, I guess I could do that.
Well, it does yield a lot. Not my mother with the voicemail. Mama, wait. Sorry.
So mind you, this may not look like the normal gin and juice, the original OG, triple D-O-G-G, whatever. Anyway, but this is the remix. It came out of Snoop Dogg's cookbook. So if you haven't seen it, go ahead and check it out. It's on Amazon as well.
Yeah.
But we're going to do the remix of gin and juice. So are you happy? Are we ready?
Well,
we got to garnish. Yes,
yeah,
we have to
we
garnish.
got to garnish.
I'm a little rusty. She gave me the, let me do my thing. 5 drinks in.
4.
Or whatever. This is the 5th, but nonetheless, after I've mixed. So excuse me.
Wow. So
but it looks nice.
Take accountability here.
Anyway, we're gonna remix this, and we're gonna get this going. So, you like what you see?
It looks good. It looks promising.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go.
Cheers.
Cheers. Rolling down the street, smoking Indo, sipping on gin and juice. Laid back with my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Ooh.
It's your turn to my turn.
Is it?
I
thought it's yours. It's yours, because I started last round. Go ahead.
I like this. This is actually pretty good, even though it has vodka in it, but I'm not gonna base the drink off of vodka. But this is really good. It's refreshing. I like this. This is light work, but it can be
but you better careful.
potent because it has gin and vodka in it. And those are the two that you don't want to mess with. But overall, I'm gonna give this a 10. So we're back up there, 10 all across the boards for minus that last drink.
Oh, okay.
Because I don't know what she was thinking.
I see where the shade is coming from.
Oh, it's a shade. It's a whole, not even a palm tree. It's like one of those willow trees. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
But yeah. Uncle Snoop did his thing in his cookbook with this recipe. I mean, even though he said Tanqueray. Is that how you pronounce it?
Tanqueray, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is decent. It's decent. But it's my second lowest of the collection. I'm gonna give it an 8 because I do think it's good, but I don't think it's like brilliant or breathtaking necessarily. It's not even my favorite gin and juice. Like I don't know. I mean, it's okay. It's giving refreshing, but it's not giving like a 10. It's not a 10. It's not a 10. But it's good, guys. And you should try it. I just don't.
It's not her cup of tea, like the Earl Grey. It's not.
I would drink, so if somebody gave this to me, I would drink it. But it's not like I wouldn't order this off.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
I don't have anything against the mixing of the gin and the vodka. That's not like a thing for me. Because let's be honest, I've had some drinks mixed a whole lot more. Aunt Roberta, hello.
Lolita,
So it's not that the mixing thing doesn't do it for me. The apple vodka is like, I can understand the vodka. The apple vodka is kind of throwing me off a little bit. It's giving me a little bit of like Jolly Rancher, which to be fair with the gin and juice, there's a little bit of that like play. So I'm not like necessarily like, I understand why the apple vodka, but it's also kind of like giving me, are we children drinking? Like a little bit.
Yeah, because the original gin and juice, I believe, is just gin and OJ, if I'm not mistaken. And this is the remix, so they added apple vodka,
But the pineapple juice is a nice, refreshing element that I think helps it.
With like pineapple and vodka with a splash of But nonetheless, it's not bad. It's not good in Amber's eyes. To me, I think it's refreshing and cool. I mean, for a vodka,
I think it's decent.
You think decent?
Yeah, I'm not mad at it. Like I'm gonna drink it.
I would recommend
we've made that I've thrown right in the sink expeditiously after we've shot.
That's not Jaegerita.
That was
martini.
Oh my God.
We didn't even finish the Bloody Mary.
No, because that was criminal. I don't even know.
I realize there's a trend when it comes to the women drinks. Anything, yeah.
I see what you mean there.
Yeah.
I don't know. But you know what? What's crazy is, so I was out of town this past week, and one of the places we were at had this like crazy Bloody Mary again with like crab cakes and some like scallops and just like a bunch of different stuff. And I just was saying, well, I mean, are you hungry? Are you thirsty? Like, what exactly is your aim here? Because I'm not understanding what. And it was a really nice Italian/seafood restaurant. Okay, this is like a 3-star, and they were like, but we gonna put this nasty Bloody Mary in here. And I just was like, for why? Like, why? So I don't know. That's like a little anecdotal, but I just be sometimes when I see these recipes, I just be like,
it's nasty.
Why
would you do that? I've seen a
that?
cheeseburger. I've seen wings on top of a Bloody Mary for a garnish.
Tater tots.
It's remarkable
everything.
how people really do drink that.
They do.
Yeah.
And they're excited about it. So anyway, we digress. But for the purposes of this particular beverage, you should try it out. You should let us know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. Okay.
And ring that bell.
Ring the bell. We are firmly into the summer months, which means we got some frolicking to do. Frolicking with drinks. Yeah. Yeah.
Interesting. Frolic.
Okay, so you're gonna really just like diss the terminology though. You know, I'm talking about being out there with the drinks. Okay.
Fine, being out there. You mean like go out on field trips, or are you talking about go out there and try some more nasty ass drinks?
No, ma'am. I'm talking about going out and trying different drinks, but it's summertime. There's different places we can go.
We outside tonight.
We outside.
Hey, we outside.
Okay.
Hold on. Hello? Where we at? Oh, you want to know where I'm at? We outside!
Hot girl summer. What else? We outside tonight.
All of that.
Oh, sexy red. Bow. Yeah, we all of that.
Kinda. With a little less sexy red. But you know what I'm saying. A little less. Because she be doing a little bit too much.
Yeah. But anyway, all right. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to ring that bell. And send us some recipes. We would love to see them. And we'll get ready for July.
Right. We are coming up in those summer months. So, 4th of July.
Oh, her birthday
My
month.
birthday.
God help us all. She gets to pick what we do. Last year it was Jen, so hopefully she does something different.
We can't do the same thing twice. But all I'm saying is July is full of surprises, so we can't wait to see what those are. Anywho, we're gonna finish these.
All right, see y'all.
We'll be back.